Come test drive the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.